Oh man, the last thing you want to do is miss this coin. Do not miss this one little penny. So this is a 1977 coin. Now you could be going through your pocket change. It's really important to know that these coins are issued at different mints. So if your coin has no little mint mark around the date, that means it was issued at the Philadelphia Mint. But if you see a small little D mint mark, that means it was issued at the Denver Mint. Now without wasting any more time, what do you need to be looking for? So let's hop up into this coin right here. This is a 1977 Denver minted coin. This one was graded by PCGS Mint State 64. Now to make sure that you get the full value of your coin, there are times where you should send your coin off to get graded. What grading is essentially a third-party opinion where they will look at your coin, put a numerical grade on the coin anywhere from 1 to 70. They will authenticate the coin, making sure that it's real and that the error is also real. And then lastly, they'll ship it back to you, and this will essentially increase the value of your coin depending on what type of coin you have. Now it is a bit of a risk and a gamble, so the more understandings that you have, the more knowledge you have, the better off you'll be at getting your coin graded. I have a completely free ebook that goes over coin handling, grading, and values. All you gotta do is click the link below. You don't have to do that, just keep doing your homework and research. But let's look at this coin. So this 1977D coin sold for $336, and that's because it was accidentally struck on a clad dime blank. Now what does that mean exactly? So when these coins are being issued, there are blank pieces of metal where they are struck on, and depending on if the wrong planchet or blank gets struck on will depend on if your coin is in error or not. And because someone noticed that this coin was off, they were able to turn a penny into $336. Same thing here, but this coin graded very highly. So this 1977 coin, there is no mint mark. That means it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, was accidentally struck on a clad dime blank. And because this coin graded at the PCGS 67 grade, it sold for $660. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen.